Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Sumalata the Mentor. Today topic is continents. What are continents? Continents are the largest land masses on earth. They are the main divisions of land separated by oceans. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents in the world. First is Asia. The largest continent includes countries like India, China. Number 2, Africa, known for deserts and wildlife. Number 3, North America, includes USA, Canada, Mexico. Number 4, South America, famous for the Amazon rainforest. Number 5, Antarctica, covered with ice, no permanent human population. Number 6, Europe, known for many developed countries. Number 7, Australia, the smallest continents. Thank you.